loving husband, JB. Finally, we made it here. Sinong mag-aakala na sa dami-dami nating taong nakilala at lugar na napuntahan, sa Merville ko pala matatagpuan ng taong makakasama ko habang buhay. Gaya ng paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa iyo, lagi akong na-amaze sa love story natin. We've been to difficult relationships of our past at na-witness yan ng ating pamilya at mga kaibigan sa kung paano tayo nasaktan ng ating nakaraan. Pero totoo talaga that God hears and knows our pain. He knows also what's and who's best for us. Lalo na sa akin, dumating na ako sa point that I no longer believe in marriage. I almost give up on finding the right one for me. But one moment changed my life during the Mass. It was as if God was talking to me. Then I realized that I want someone to spend the rest of my life with. And I prayed. Then you came. You were an answer to my prayer. You are an answered prayer. Everything I prayed for, ikaw na ikaw yun. Kaya I know at panatag ako sa iyo. Love, this day marks our road to forever. The day na masisimulan na nating maabot yung pangarap nating dalawa na magkasama.
My wife, kung dati patingin-tingin na ako sa gate nyo, hinintay na lalabas ka para makita ka. Ngayon, po baka paniwala na asawa na kita. Love, mahal na mahal kita at nandito lang ako. Ngayon, sa harap mo, harap ni Lord, pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita ng tapat at aalagaan. Thank you, my love, for loving me the way I am. Thank you for giving me a second chance to prove you kung gaano kita kamahal. And love, nandito lang ako sa hirap at ginhawa. Mamahalin kita, saan man tayo, pa rin ng ating mga pangarap. Nermalin Palomogilhang, mahal na mahal kita.
Fall is lost its color when it's lost its snow. Champagne skies still weather outside our window.
Mahal na mahal kita at mas mamahalin pa kita araw-araw. May God bless our relationship. Love, Nerd.